Ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening and thank you for tuning in to a brand new episode of The Nation Wants to Know. I'm Deepthi Sachdeva. The Nation Wants to Know, has the Congress now decided to follow the Yogi model? Do they really, prefer and like the kind of steps that Yogi Adityanath really has been taking over the last many years? Now, on your screens, you're looking at two images. One is, of course, Yogi Adityanath, who continues to be the poster boy for the Congress. If you're wondering what is really making us say that he is the new poster boy for the Congress, on the other side, the gentleman that you see is Vikramaditya Singh. He's from the Congress's camp, and he is someone who, remember, had also taken on that big battle versus Kangana in Mandi. He lost that battle. But he's an important politician from the state of Himachal that is ruled by the Congress. Now, what has happened in the last few hours is significant. You would recall just about yesterday is where Yogi Adityanath government decided that all the eateries, all the restaurants, now onwards in Uttar Pradesh will again have to put out names and display the owners and everyone else who works there, because there were multiple instances of adulteration, contamination that came to the fore. So you had the entire BJP hailing this. The BJP said that this is a great idea. It must be implemented across the country. But the Congress had a problem. The Congress said that this has been done with an idea to profile, this has been done with an idea to degrade the poor, to cause them inconvenience. But then in just the next 24 hours, you see that statement that has come in from Vikramaditya Singh. We'll again put out that entire post of Vikramaditya Singh on the Facebook, where he says that we are getting kick-started with that entire model also in Himachal. So the same Congress party that has a problem with bulldozers, the same Congress party that said that Kavad Yatra, during which the idea was to ensure that whatever food is taken in by the yatris is pure and it's up to religious standards, they said that was against the constitution. Priyanka Gandhi had said that that was a direct attack on our constitution, she said. But now the same Congress party loves that idea. The same Congress party that has called names to Yogi Adityanath, called him a bulldozer Baba, said that he's divisive, he's polarizing, he has a Hindutva agenda today, believes in Yogi Adityanath. So what has caused this turnaround? Is the Congress now giving a competition to the BJP itself? Because we've seen that entire incident in Sanjoli. Remember that entire mosque where again you had a Himachal minister saying that mosque was illegal, it should be brought down. So all that has happened in the last few hours is significant. It's a telling commentary on the Congress that either is confused or it really loves Yogi Adityanath finally, and it has tried to realize the kind of perhaps benefits the entire Yogi model has been able to give. Let's quickly play out first up exactly what we've heard from Vikramaditya earlier today, where he hails Yogi Adityanath and his model. And he says from today onwards, we are following this also in Himachal.
फैसला लिया गया है कि जितने भी स्ट्रीट वेंडर्स हैं, चाहे वो कोई सामान बेच रहे हैं, जो है हमको दोनों तरीके से हाइजीनिक रूप से भी उसके ऊपर जो है एक्शन होना चाहिए, क्योंकि सफाई वाला खाना बिकना चाहिए। उसके लिए जो फूड एंड सिविल सप्लाईज के डिपार्टमेंट के लोग हैं वो उसके ऊपर देखेंगे। और जिस तरीके से उत्तर प्रदेश में भी वहाँ पर भी जो रेडी फड़ी वाले हैं खास करके उनके लिए ये मैंडेटरी किया गया है कि वहाँ पर जो है आपको अपना उसमें नाम और आईडी लगाना होगा। तो हमने भी इसको यहाँ पर पूरी मजबूती से लागू करने का निर्णय किया है।
So विक्रमादित्य सिंह, हमने मजबूती से योगी जी का ऑर्डर हिमाचल में भी लागू करने की कोशिश की और हम ये करेंगे। Yogi Adityanath multiple times, remember, has spoken about this. He says that there are multiple instances of contamination, adulteration that have come forward in Uttar Pradesh. He said this is not tolerable. We will not tolerate this. We need to act against this. Just about 5 days ago, when he was in Gorakhpur in his constituency, listen into what he had said, and he made it very clear that we will have this all-out war against contamination.
आखिर गोरखपुर के जो लोग बाहर काम करते हैं या पूर्वी उत्तर प्रदेश के जो लोग बाहर काम करते हैं, आखिर उनकी भी तो इच्छा होगी कि उन्हीं के घर में उनको सुविधा प्राप्त हो। और अच्छा है, यहाँ पे जो मिलेगा कम से कम वो हापुड़ वाला जूस तो नहीं मिलेगा ना। या थूक लगा करके वे रोटियां तो नहीं मिलेंगी, या तो शुद्ध मिलेगा जो भी मिलेगा।
So that is Yogi Adityanath and that is also Vikramaditya Singh. And again, if you see both of them together, they represent different ideologies. But today, you have the Congress in Himachal following exactly what Yogi Adityanath has been called out for. So what really is this compulsion? What is this politics in the Congress's own camp? Let's quickly open up this conversation with Dr. Kaushal Kant Mishra, who's the BJP spokesperson on the show, along with Karan Verma, who's also joining us, along with IP Singh Saab, who represents the Samajwadi Party. Ashutosh Mishra is a senior journalist, and Mr. Mecca, who represents the Congress. Mr. Mecca, we'll begin by asking you, Priyanka Gandhi, on July the 19th, 2024, had said this is an attack on Constitution. She had slammed the UP government's Kawad Yatra directive. She had said that something like this is not tolerable. She said our Constitution guarantees every citizen that he will not be discriminated against on the basis of caste, religion, language, or any other basis. She said that was a divisive order. Does Vikramaditya not know this? Is he falling apart from the Congress, or it's the Congress now falling in love with Yogi Adityanath and his model?
Deepthi, so not at all. I think I very seriously condemn this action of Himachal Pradesh government.
You condemn this?
Yes, absolutely. Absolutely.
So the Congress party does not stand with Vikramaditya Singh. You do not stand with your Himachal Pradesh government that already says we are going ahead with this proposal.
Absolutely. This is a misguided policy. Somebody explain me how the adulteration can be controlled by displaying the names of the vendors.
So why is Vikramaditya doing this?
Then I don't know. I don't see any sense in what he's doing.
You don't see any sense in this? You know, Mr. Mecca,
Absolutely.
I'm a little stunned. So, you know, I mean, do you people not talk to each other? Does the Congress High Command not call up Vikramaditya because he's been, you know, putting out this entire comment in public domain? He's given a reaction to the media. People are congratulating him. Ki bahut badhiya step hai. You must do this across the country.
See, the process will start now because we don't handhold our state governments or every city government, right? So
it's
things will
not
happen.
about
The
handholding,
party
Mr.
will
Mecca. You and I both know this. The same Congress party that had called out Yogi
Absolutely, I'm
Adityanath,
telling
you
you
said
now.
that entire order was divisive. Today, you have your own minister in the state of Himachal who forget the fact that he's criticizing. He's all for it.
Absolutely, he is deviating from what Congress party stands for.
Why is he doing that?
As simple as that. You need to ask him, and you need to give the time for the party to act on that.
So will you sack him from the party? Will you sack him from the party?
No, I say that is beyond my grade in the party. Okay, so
this does not work. No, Mr. Mecca, this does not work. You say that, you know, he does not agree with our ideology. He does not follow what we are saying, but we'll not sack him. So you can't run with the hare, you can't hunt with the hound, no?
No, a simple thing is, how is that going to help curtail adulteration? Can somebody tell me, Yogi Adityanath ji or Vikramaditya Singh ji, please tell us how adulteration can be curtailed by this?
You must ask him. I'm quite surprised, Ashutosh.
That's why I'm asking.
Ashutosh, then Rahul Gandhi, who has a problem with Kangana because she has taken back her comment, he wants the Prime Minister to clarify likewise. Should Rahul Gandhi or Priyanka today not clarify on the kind of action that the Himachal government itself has taken, Mr. Mecca?
Are you asking me or Mr. Mecca?
Mr. Mecca, will the Congress's top brass, including Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi or Mallikarjun Kharge react on this?
I think definitely party is going to react to this.
Ashutosh, what's going on? Is the Congress confused, or is Vikramaditya already looking elsewhere? He's wanting to embarrass his own party.
So what I think is happening is that you are stunned that Yogi for once is going according to the rule book. The Kawariya route thing that you were talking about was a directive by the police, and that's why it was opposed that police should not cannot do this. Now, in what is happening in Himachal is pro-consumer. It will ensure food safety and accountability.
So you support Vikramaditya?
Of of course. What he is doing is pro-consumer. It's
Okay, when the
pro-consumer.
Congress does this, it
And
is
you know,
pro-consumer. If the BJP does this, this is
So-
divisive. Huh, Ashutosh?
So I'm telling, no, it's not that.
Just about yesterday, no, Ashutosh, just about yesterday, Ajay Rai ji, who's a senior leader of the Congress party, if you want, we can play out his reaction. He said, ये गरीबों के खिलाफ है, ये दलितों के खिलाफ है. He said, this is not just about religion anymore, it's also about the caste.
And let me bring you up to date. The Himachal policy ensures that there will be reservation for Dalits and handicapped. That is the big difference.
Reservation where?
In giving licenses for food vendors. Those
That is worse. You know, Ashutosh, that is worse. You are
why?
proving exactly what I said. You are proving
so you are-
exactly
so you
what
are
I said, that this is
ensuring
only
you are against
politics.
reservation. So
It's
today
not about
BJP is against
consumers.
reservation.
It's not about the Aam Janta like
It's about
us.
consumers.
The
It's about
Congress is playing
consumers
another
and
kind of
ensuring-
politics. Yes, when it comes to the center, and the Congress is playing another kind of politics in
you were
Himachal.
caught unawares
Mr. Mehta
and why
says, I
do
do
you
not
oppose
agree with this.
consumer?
अब IP Singh साहब बहुत left out feel कर रहे होंगे. So Kaushal and Karan, with your permission, I want to get in Singh साहब. सिंह साहब, एक तरफ है अखिलेश यादव जो कहते हैं कि योगी आदित्यनाथ की तस्वीर देखते ही पता चल जाता है कि माफिया कौन है या नहीं है, और वहीं दूसरी तरफ कांग्रेस की सरकार है हिमाचल में जो योगी मॉडल को ही प्रमोट कर रही है. वो कह रहे हैं ये बेस्ट मॉडल है.
माननीय अखिलेश यादव जी ने योगी आदित्यनाथ जी के बारे में बिल्कुल सच कहा है. जब उन्हें देखेंगे तो दिन में आप डर जाएंगे, रात की बात तो छोड़िए. और ठोक दो की जो नीति है,
अरे सुनिए ना, अब
देखिए
तो सिंह
उत्तर
साहब आप भी
प्रदेश
अपने
में
विचार
लखनऊ
बदल
में
दीजिए.
5वां
अब
रेप
आपका भी
एक
हृदय
महीने के अंदर
परिवर्तन
गैंग
हो
रेप.
जाना चाहिए. अगर कांग्रेस
नहीं,
ये
गैंग
देख रही
सुन-
है कि योगी मॉडल के बेनिफिट्स हैं तो आपको भी तो
गैंग-
दिखने चाहिए.
सुन लीजिए ना, सुन लीजिए. मैं समझता हूं कि मुझे भी 2 मिनट का वक्त जरूर आप बोलने को देंगी. योगी आदित्यनाथ जी ने जो पीडीए है, दलित, वंचित, शोषित, पिछड़ा, मुसलमान, उस पर हमला है. ये जो तिरुपति बालाजी में मिलावट हुई, जिसमें चर्बी मिलाई गई. जगमोहन रेड्डी 5 वर्षों तक मोदी जी को कहते थे कि मैं हनुमान भक्त हूं, और हर मोर्चे पर जगमोहन रेड्डी समर्थन करते रहे. और उस सरकार
उनका नाम है
उनके
जगनमोहन
ऊपर
रेड्डी.
एक सवाल नहीं खड़ा हो रहा है.
सिंह साहब, आप
की
जो बात कर
मिलावट
रहे हैं वो
हुई,
आज की डिबेट का
सुन
विषय
लीजिए,
नहीं है. आप मुझे बोल
सवाल-
दीजिए कि मुझे
सवाल
नहीं
ये
समझ
है
आ रहा कि मैं कांग्रेस पर क्या
उसका आड़
बयान
लेकर.
लेकिन कांग्रेस पे तो बोलिए ना. देखिए, डिबेट हो रही है कि
नहीं, हमें
कांग्रेस
आने
और
तो
योगी
दीजिए.
मॉडल में कहा
मैं
मेल आ गया है.
आप सवाल है, अगर 30 सेकंड
सिंह साहब, प्लीज विषय पे रहिए.
उत्तर प्रदेश की बात मैं विषय पर हूं. मैं विषय पर हूं. अगर आप डेविएट नहीं करेंगे तो आई विल नॉट डेविएट. मैं एकदम फोकस्ड हूं अपने विषय पर. मुझे
बिल्कुल,
बोलने
आप
दीजिए.
फोकस्ड है योगी
सवाल
आदित्यनाथ.
ये है कि जिस तरह से माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने रोक लगा थी कांवड़ यात्रा पर कि आप डिस्प्ले को लेकर, प्रोपराइटरशिप को लेकर आप कोई सरकार कार्रवाई नहीं करेगी, लेकिन आप मुख्यमंत्री का डेस्परेट होके लगातार इस तरह का काम करना. आप बताइए, दलित कैसे दुकानदारी करेगा? पिछड़ा जो वर्ग है वो कैसे दुकानदारी करेगा? उसके बाद अल्पसंख्यक जो, वो कैसे दुकानदारी करेगा? इस देश में उनकी आबादी 80-85% है. पीडीए मोर देन 70% है. आप बताइए, आप उनको आइडेंटिफाई कर रहे हैं, आप होटलों में लगा दीजिए.
सिंह साहब, ये तो आपको अब राहुल गांधी और प्रियंका गांधी को भी बोलना पड़ेगा ना. अगर ये चार्ज आप भाजपा और योगी आदित्यनाथ पर लगाते हैं सर, यही वाला मॉडल अब हिमाचल में लागू हो गया है. सवाल ये है,
वो भी गलत है. मैं कह रहा हूं, यही तो मैं कह रहा हूं कि हिमाचल में जो कुछ उनके मंत्री, जिस तरह का वहां फैसला हो रहा है, ये बिल्कुल गलत है. जो गलत है वो गलत है. पीडीए किसी गलत को नहीं टॉलरेट कर सकता. ये गलत बात है. समाजवादी पार्टी अगर कोई चीज गलत हो रही है तो हम कहेंगे गलत हो रही है. और ये हिमाचल में नहीं होना चाहिए. सरकार जाती है, जाने दीजिए. मैं कह रहा हूं सरकार गिर जाती हिमाचल में, आप सेक्रीफाइस करिए, गिर जाने दीजिए.
सिंह साहब, आपने तो बहुत बड़ा चार्ज लगा दिया. मिस्टर मेका, आई एम श्योर यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड दिस. द प्रॉब्लम इज दिस, that the entire government in Himachal is on a wafer thin majority. The numbers, Mr. Meka. And is that the real problem? So, this is not about ideology. This is not about a mohabbat ki dukaan. This is not about a consistent fight against what you call are divisive policies of Yogi Adityanath and the BJP. It's only about the kursi. Sarkar bachani hai to kuch bhi karenge, Mr. Mecca.
No. So you are actually hitting a very tangential topic. It's not about the majority of the government or anything. I'm sure party is going to act on this. I think the Himachal government's action is absolutely condemnable. This is not right.
Mr. Mecca, if you would recall when the Sanjoli Mosque issue also happened, Karan and Kaushal, we all remember that you had a minister again who said कि पूरी जो मस्जिद है वो illegal है, उसको गिरा देना चाहिए. We had seen the kind of protest there, Mr. Mecca. Did we see the Congress Central Command stepping in? See, and Owaisi also said कि पता नहीं कौन सरकार चला रहा है, भाजपा चला रही है, कांग्रेस चला रही है.
So now I need to answer for Owaisi also.
You answer at least for the Congress, Mr. Mecca. At least you can answer for the Congress, who's become the new fanboy.
Yeah, Owaisi can speak whatever he likes. Owaisi and BJP works in tandem. They will speak as a part of a strategy. So leave that aside. So as far as Congress is concerned, yeah, as you said, there will be some voices coming in here and there because we are a huge party, all-inclusive party, and then party will act on such things. That's about it. But as far as current issue is concerned in Himachal, the number one point is at the outset I clarified that that is not the Congress way of ruling a state.
But that is an entire government. Your minister is saying this. For God's sake, Mr. Mecca, somewhere. I understand the Congress is embarrassed.
I'm not going to support even if it is done by my
So what will you do?
Right.
Has anyone called up the Chief Minister, Mr. Sukhu, there and told them to sack Vikramaditya? Does the Congress have the courage to do that?
No. See, listen. That process is definitely going to kick in very shortly.
Okay, you say that will continue to happen, but Kaushal, I think you must be really happy with, this turn of events. And all fingers are being pointed at the BJP. कि आप पता नहीं हिमाचल में ऐसा क्या प्रयोग कर रहे हैं कि चाहे संजौली मॉस्क का मसला हो, चाहे अब ये वाली बात हो, लगातार वहां पर भाजपा और कांग्रेस एक दूसरे को कंपटीशन दे रही है. आपको दिक्कत होगी अगर कांग्रेस उसी फील्ड पर आकर खेलेगी जो आपकी अपनी फील्ड है?
Deepti, it shows the hypocrisy of Congress and the real face of Congress. Congress is not doing anything new. Congress is always doing the vote bank politics. Now the Congress leadership in the Himachal Pradesh think because of this issue they will get a vote bank. That is the main problem. In all over the country, Congress always think about vote, vote and vote. Nothing else. There is no ideology. By any means, if we are getting vote, that is the ideology of Congress. While the BJP is a cadre-based party, ideology-based party, and we are here for the doing best for the citizen, best for the consumer, and providing the name, displaying the name. I don't feel what is harm in putting your name in front of your shop?
I will ask you, Kaushal, a question that we had asked Charu Pragya also. She was on our show just about last evening. We were debating much the same issue. And Sanjay Hegde, who's a noted lawyer of the Supreme Court, he asked one simple question. He said, अगर आप किसी eatery के बाहर वहां पर कौन काम करता है उनके नाम लगा देंगे तो इससे adulteration को कैसे रोक सकते हैं? आप ये बताइए मुझे.
इसका सबसे ब्लेटेंट एग्जाम्पल देता हूं. अभी आपने चूंकि इशू थोड़ा सा अलग है पर बताना जरूरी है. आप देखिए नंदिनी को वहां पर तिरुपति माला में तिरुपति मंदिर में पहले नंदिनी को टेंडर दिया गया था. उनसे लेकर के AR डेयरी को दे दिया गया. गूगल पे जाकर के आप देखेंगे AR डेयरी के मालिक कौन है ये नहीं लिखा गया है, लेकिन फाइंड आउट करने पे पता चलता है कि AR डेयरी के CEO का नाम है मोहम्मद नसीम, अकाउंट ऑफिसर का नाम है रहील रहमान, वेयर हाउस हेड का नाम है लातूर शेख. प्लीज डोंट इंटरफेयर, प्लीज डोंट इंटरफेयर, प्लीज डोंट इंटरफेयर, प्लीज डोंट इंटरफेयर. I have not stopped you at all. How I am factually? I am factually
He said
correct.
you're
You can
factually
go and
incorrect,
check.
Kaushal.
Why?
Mr. Mehta,
How?
let him complete
Tell me
his
now.
point. Let him
Tell me.
complete his point, then you can counter him.
What?
Kaushal.
Okay. Can you factually incorrect this also? The Salem Devasan Board of Andhra Pradesh have got 17 non-Hindus, in which the 3 are Muslim and 14 are Christians. I have the name. Is it also factually incorrect?
No,
Actually,
Kaushal, what you're
Congress
doing is you're
government
mixing up a
and
lot of
India Alliance
things.
government
You're
is
mixing
doing-
up a lot of
Yes,
things. Kaushal,
yes.
I'll ask you that question again. अब आप
Because-
देखिए, अगर आप किसी रेस्टोरेंट पे जाते
Because
हैं,
that is-
नॉर्मली अडल्ट्रेशन, अब सपोज आप वहां पर कोई भी डिश खाते हैं, तो उस डिश में जो भी इंग्रेडिएंट्स जाते हैं, कौशल, वो सही होंगे तो डिश अच्छी बनेगी. लेकिन अगर वो अडल्ट्रेटेड होंगे, कंटामिनेटेड होंगे, तो खाना भी खराब होगा. तो ऐसे में अगर किसी रेस्टोरेंट के बाहर सिर्फ लोगों का नाम लिखा जाता है कि यहाँ पर कौन कौन काम करता है और ये कौन इसका मालिक है, उससे आप अडल्ट्रेशन कैसे रोक सकते हैं, ये बताइए.
उससे adulteration is not only the physical adulteration or chemical adulteration.
Okay.
It is adulteration of faith also.
Adulteration
So
of
it is
faith.
adulteration.
Okay.
You have to, of faith, yes.
Yes.
Because its law is not only the letter, it is letter and spirit both. And if the spirit is wrong, if
But
I am going
a
to serve by
state,
somebody
you know, Kaushal has
I
no
don't
religion.
like, then it is adulteration
You know,
of my
we
faith.
must remember this. A state has no religion.
State has no religion. I don't have any issue. But citizen has a religion. Consumer has a religion. Because consumer is getting sold by the government. Our government has got guarantee to provide me. It is my fundamental right to
Okay.
get food of
And-
my choice.
Okay,
of my faith.
Kaushal, should you be
Duty of
worried that in
government.
case this matter goes to the court, you know, Karan, that I think in all likelihood will do, it will be challenged in the courts. Now, we have seen what happened during the entire, order that was put in place during the Kavod Yatra thing. Is this good in spirit? And Karan, how do you see this overall merging of, what the Congress is saying and the Yogi model, and the Congress's top brass saying, we have absolutely no idea, we don't support this?
So at the outset, first of all, Dipti, I have to thank Mika ji. I think he showed tremendous guts in taking on his own government and stating that he does not stand with Vikramaditya. So this speaks a lot about where the Congress is right now. They are headless chickens, a ship without a rudder at the mercy of winds. What happened really was that the Sanjoli Mosque, that became a very big issue. In a state where there are only 2% Muslims, this mosque, this entire Sanjoli market area today has become a breeding ground for crime. There are 22 thefts that have happened, 4 chain snatching incidents, 2 abductions, and close to 50 people are there in the mosque even at night. Women are fearing to go out in that market area. So now when Vikramaditya saw this as a rallying political issue, he conveniently changed his secular stance and said that I will follow the Yogi model. And that has been beautifully exposed by Mika ji today on your show. Big statement by Mika ji. He's clearly said it. This was an opportunistic stance by Vikramaditya, and the Congress leadership should proceed to even remove him. He said this. So this is a big breaking on your news, Dipti, to begin with. Secondly, you said the state has no religion. Well, guess what? Here in India, we have a halal economy, which is $100 billion worth. Nobody talks about it, where it is strictly for one religion. And there, the halal certifying agency is Jamaat-e-Ulema-e-Hind, which fights cases for terror accused. 700 terror accused are being protected by the Jamaat-Ulema-e-Hind, even accused from 2611, 711 Pune Bakery. Where are we heading with this? This is a law that needs to come in, and the Supreme Court also needs to respect the domain of the executive, because people need safety in terms of food. They need that trust, and the government needs to act on it. And I welcome what the Himachal Pradesh government has done.
Okay, so Karan says, I welcome what the Himachal government has done. In fact, welcoming what Yogi has done. And Mr. Mecca, we will watch what the Congress does next. Is this just running with the hare, hunting with the hound on national television, or there is more to that story? Only for one of time, gentlemen. Ashutosh, apologies, I'm not able to come back to you, but we'll track the story. Thank you so much, all of you, for joining us.